transform the industry into. And this is what we've done at Pacific Gas and Electric. So when Ann referenced the people barring PG&E trucks from going into Marin County, it was a huge issue for PG&E. And they realized that the problem was that they hadn't communicated the value of the smart grid investment to their customers. And so they went out and they did an RFP process and they hired O-Power to basically be the face of their smart grid. And so this is what people get. This is, you have some analysis, you have steps to lower your bill. It's all very clean, it's all very easy to understand, and that's the whole idea here, is that we want to take the complexity out of the energy industry and just present people with the stuff that they want, the stuff that they can act on. The second thing is use the existing channels. So one of the things that we think about O-Power is that we are a proactive model and we are an opt-out model, because we think that if you wait for people to opt in, and if you actually ask them to provide information proactively, that you're not going to get a lot of people taking advantage of that. And you can't scale and you can't get large-scale savings and large-scale benefit out of the smart grid without sort of without more or less an opt-out model that's proactive, that involves the utility proactively reaching out, engaging their customers and saying, these are things that we understand looking at your data. Why don't you take advantage of them to make yourselves more efficient? And so we use a home energy report. And it basically, it calls out, this is what O-Power is best known for. We compare your usage to that of statistically similar neighbors. And the idea here is that that is the number one driver to get people excited about making changes. It's not a financial incentive. It's not to be a better citizen of the community or even to help the environment. What really drives behavior change is how do you compare to other people? And so we provide this in a home energy report. And we sort of flow that down. Everything we do at O-Power is in the context of how you compare, because we think that's a very powerful motivator, as I just mentioned. And then we follow up on the report with some tips about how you can change your behavior.